Hi everyone, I'm Lexi and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the one finger spin. For this trick, you're going to need to know the horizontal figure 8. And once you have that down, then you toss it up and then you're going to poke your finger right in the middle. And then your finger will naturally drag off to the center of gravity and you'll kind of be able to feel it once you poke around. And once your finger drags off to that center, you're going to be drawing a circle with your finger to keep it continuously going. And that is how you do the one finger spin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it helped you out, make sure to comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!